Our event by lighting the lamp of knowledge and wisdom. We would now like to invite Mrs. Rekha Sahi, Sister Mary Teresa, Sister Mary Punita, Sister Mary Namita, the manager of the school, and Sister Mary Neha to light the lamp.
ज्योति जला तू, ज्योति जला तू, ज्योति जला तू मन में मेरे, तेरे पावन वचनों से मन का दीपक बुझ ना पाए, रोशन कर दे जीवन
मेरी आत्मा प्रभु को धन्य कहो, मेरे अंतर्मन उसके पवित्र नाम की स्तुति करो। मेरी आत्मा प्रभु को धन्य कहो और उसका एक भी वरदान कभी नहीं भुलाओ।
May I now invite Sister Mary Namita to hand over a token of respect to Sister Mary Teresa.
Because of a vivacious aura that always stood apart. The laws of force and friction would have been so difficult to understand if you were not there to hold our hands. Your lively classes were what we waited for, and your hand-drawn rays, beams and lenses held us in thaw. No matter how many times we would ask, your smile always reassured our hearts. Your depth of knowledge goes down to the core, and your zeal for teaching is what we adore. Whether it was the live experiments with mirrors and magnets, or the light experiment with prisms and sunlight. Farewell words too often part and clean with sorrow our aching hearts. With the final wave, all disappears beneath the hush of silent tears. Your integration of technology in the classroom has fully enhanced our learning experience and prepared us for the digital era. Thank you for embracing new tools and techniques to make learning engaging and accessible. Your exquisite craftsmanship in stitching, embroidery, painting and mother-building art. Your ability to execute these techniques swiftly while maintaining such precision and beauty is truly remarkable. Fare thee well, dear Miss. You will be dearly missed.
Words can't express our appreciation for you. For years, you have been selflessly contributed to the education at Notre Dame. You have been a source of inspiration to all your students and colleagues alike. You have touched the lives of many, and your influence extends beyond the classroom. You've always had a rare talent of making the complexities of physics accessible and engaging. Through your innovative teaching methods and unwavering enthusiasm, you have instilled a love for the subject in countless students. But your efforts never stopped just at physics. During the COVID period, when things were challenging, you powered through and mastered so many new skills which couldn't have been easy, but you handled it all so brilliantly. We are in awe of all your talents. From painting and embroidery to teaching and blogging, you have always given your 110% for us. We will always remember your kindness, your wisdom, and your unwavering support. Your legacy will continue to inspire us as we move forward on our own journeys. Miss, you inspire us to dream big, to reach for the stars, and to never settle for anything less than the best. We wish you all the best in your future endeavors and hope that the next chapter of your life is filled with joy and success. Thank you for being an extraordinary teacher and mentor. You will always hold a special place in our hearts.
our respected principal, Sister Mary Neha, to hand over a memento and a token of respect to Mrs. Rekha Sahi.
As you gracefully step into the next phase of your life's journey, I am honored to convey my heartfelt gratitude for your exemplary 17 years of service as our dedicated physics teacher. Your quiet strength, unwavering dedication, and profound love for teaching have left an indelible mark on our school community. Your unassuming demeanor and genuine kindness have endeared you to both students and colleagues alike, creating a nurturing environment where learning flourished. Throughout your tenure, you have embodied the essence of what it means to be a true educator, patient, compassionate, and endlessly dedicated to the success and well-being of your students. Your hard work and passion for physics have ignited a spark of curiosity in countless young minds, inspiring them to explore the wonders of the universe with enthusiasm and wonder. Your commitment to excellence and your humble approach to teaching have set a standard of excellence that will be cherished and remembered long after your departure. As you embark on this new chapter of your life, may you find joy, fulfillment, and endless opportunities for exploration and growth. Your contribution to our school community will be deeply missed, but your legacy will continue to inspire generations of students to come. On behalf of the LA School, all my dear sisters present here, my teachers, the office staff, dear students, and the entire faculty of Notre Dame, I extend my sincere gratitude to dear Mrs. Rekha, Sister Teresa, Sister Punita for your years of committed service, and wish you a future filled with peace, happiness, and abundant blessings from the Almighty. Thank you. God bless you.
Good morning, respected sisters, my dear colleagues, and other co-workers. As I stand here on the eve of my farewell, I would express my heartfelt appreciation for the wonderful program arranged in my honor. Dear sisters, teachers, students, and office staff, thank you from the bottom of my heart for your dedication and hard work in arranging such mesmerizing event. My heart is filled with myriad of sentiments which I cannot express in few words. It is indeed difficult to bid farewell to a place that has been very close to my heart, my second home also. The very thought of leaving you all is really very hard to accept, but bitter fact is that everyone has to go through this process. As I stand here on my retirement day, I am overwhelmed with gratitude for each and every one of you. Our journey together is done, and I want to express my deepest appreciation. My heart overwhelms with a feeling of nostalgia as I remember late Sister Jayasri, who selected me as physics teacher here. Sister Mary Tracy, thank you for appointing me and making me the part of this marvelous place. My present principal, Sister Mary Neha, thank you for believing in me and for your unwavering support that has been the driving force behind my success. To all the sisters of Notre Dame Academy, your words of encouragement, care and concern filled me with pride and warmth. Your wisdom and guidance have been invaluable, and I am forever grateful. You guided me when I entered as a new struggler till this date when I leave this portal as an enriched person. To my colleagues, my second family, thank you for adding colors in my days here at MDA. Your appreciation for every little thing I tried my hands at inspired me. At experiment more, try more, learn more, to excel more. To my beloved children, my advice for you is that your journey through life, always remember that growth is just not about acquiring knowledge, but also about developing the skill and character that will guide you towards a fulfilled future. Above all, believe in yourself. Remember that each of you are capable of achieving greatness. So keep working hard and achieve your goal. I wish each one of you a future filled with endless possibilities and boundless opportunities for growth. Children, in my loneliness, really, I will remember you all. For that, Miss, I didn't understand. Explain once more. To the other side, Miss, I have written correct answer. Give me marks, Miss. That will be a fun for my future. I will remember those things and I will be happy for both the things. Miss, explain once again. Again, Miss, give me marks for wrong answer again also. That's very fun for me and will make me happy, really. So now, as I embark on a new chapter of my life, I take with me cherished memories, invaluable lessons learned. I will carry the spirit of the school within me. So, as I bid farewell, I would like to say, मैं खुश भी हूँ, मजबूर भी हूँ, नहीं रुक सकती, अब जाना होगा, जाना ही होगा। कभी फूल थी जिस बगिया की, उसे बिन मेरे ही सजाना होगा। खुश भी हूँ, मजबूर भी हूँ, नहीं रुक सकती, अब जाना होगा, जाना ही होगा। कुछ फूल जो मेरे साथ खिले थे, कुछ खिले देखो, कुछ टूट गए। कुछ सजे हैं अब भी गुलदस्तों में, कुछ दूर हुए, कुछ टूट गए। कितने मौसम, कितने पतझड़ हमने साथ बिताए देखो। बारिश, लू, बसंत में भी हम साथ साथ मुस्काए देखो। इन यादों की भरकर पिचकारी, आगे रंग जमाना होगा। खुश भी हूँ, मजबूर भी हूँ, नहीं रुक सकती, अब जाना होगा, जाना ही होगा। आज जुदा हो रही हूँ पर दिल से जुदा ना हो पाऊंगी। जब भी गुजरोगे राह से मेरी, सच कहती हूँ याद आऊंगी। जो प्यार मिला है आप सबों से, उस प्यार का मुझ पर कर्ज रहेगा। मान सम्मान मुझे मिला है यहीं से, मेरे यहाँ होने का गर्व रहेगा। पर जब भी याद मेरी आए, हल्की सी आवाज लगा लेना। सो जाए अगर जमीर मेरी, झकझोर इसे जगा देना। मैं खुश भी हूँ, मजबूर भी हूँ, नहीं रुक सकती, अब जाना होगा, जाना ही होगा। सो इतना मुझे बता दे